Umbutho i-Democratic Alliance uthi umasipala i-Nelson Mandela Bay wohlulakele ngumsebenzi wokufudula abantu e-Airport Valley ubase kwizindlu zethutyana ezise-Earth 1948 eWoma. Ezi zindlu ngoku ziyonakaliswa nangona zingekagqitywa. uRetief Odendaal nongumgqatswa kasodolophu eNelson Mandela Bay uthi umbutho wakhe unazo izisombululo kule ngxaki.
And what you see here are a lot of these units that's been vandalized because this almost the entire project has come to a grinding halt. There are people that don't want to relocate here, and this is the old story of Nelson Mandela Bay, where they just want to go and tell communities where they need to go when they want to do housing developments, and they go and dump people in certain areas. And the people here said no, they don't want to be relocated. They are really worried about where their children will go to school, how they will get them to school. They were also worried about the security issue. But alternative housing solutions is making service sites available to people so that they can build their own houses, making sure that we embark on more collaborative efforts to build rental and social housing stock. That's very, very important. I use, for example, the northern areas, which hasn't seen a single social housing development or a single rental housing development in the last 50 years. Also making sure that we partner up with private sector developers in order to build gap housing.
Usekela sihlalo webhunga elimanyeneyo le-DA uKarl Bobheim nongumphathiswa kwikomiti kasodolophu eKapa yokuhlaliswa koluntu uthi eli lixesha lokuba abantu kwesi sixeko bavotele umbutho oza kubazisela ubulungisa.
In November, you're either going to vote for your future or you're going to vote for your demise. And so we're excited in Cape Town, under the leadership of Jordan L. Lewis, to partner with Retief to make sure we bring the excellence that we see in our townships in Cape Town to NMB, but more importantly, to ensure that we create access on multiple levels. RDP, or BNG as we call it now, is not the only solution. We need to allow people to choose their own future through access to service sites.
Umphathiswa wohlaliso loluntu kwikomiti kasodolophu eNelson Mandela Bay uThembinkosi Mafana uthi lo masipala unezicwangciso ngomba wokufudulwa kwabantu e-Airport Valley. Ukwathe kwimbalelwano yakhe lo masipala uyaziphika izityholo ze-Democratic Alliance zokuba woyisakele lo masipala kukufudula abantu e-Airport Valley. Nangona kunjalo umbutho i-DA uthi uza kuthi gqolo ukubeka iso kwimeko ezinje kwizixeko zeliphondo ukulungiselela abantu bahlale ngendlela. Kwiindaba ze-MPK TV, ndinguJessica Bobo, ndiseWoma.